Hi, I'm Peter Drew, and for over 10 years my buddy Evo has helped thousands of people around the world skyrocket their SEO rankings. But we wanted to make our software even more accessible to help even more people, and that's why we are relocating Evo to the cloud. By harnessing the power of the cloud, you simply enter your main term and Evo's revolutionary AI technology does the rest, producing SEO optimized keywords, titles, and original article content. He builds the sites and gets them to rank right before your eyes. This allows you to simply feed in your data, and his high domain ranked network will get to work and automatically maximize your results. And the best part of moving Evo to the cloud, is accessible from any browser on your computer, laptop, or smart device, so now you too can get amazing SEO results from anywhere. Hey guys, and welcome to the Affiliate Cash Monster Evo 4 plugin. Hang till the end till you find a massive announcement. So guys, are you ready? Buckle up. Here we have our instant affiliate monster module right now working in Evo 4. So imagine with just this very simple data, one affiliate link, 4 keywords, a couple of clicks of the mouse, and it creates this. Boom. Check this out. Actually, this is one with the full data input, which means you have the ability to put a lead capture form right up the top of your page. So this is a site it made from this data. Actually, I added a YouTube URL, an image of the affiliate that I'm promoting, and 4 keywords, and this is what you get. So that's the HTML I put up the top. The AI has come up and created all of this. Beautiful hyperlinks, the image I supplied, the video URL, more content. These are going to rank incredibly well. And another HTML section down the bottom. Very cool. All from adding this simple data. Down here is my lead capture form HTML from Aweber. But that's it. You can literally do an affiliate promotion just with that data. How amazing is that? And just like our other templates, it's got all the schema markup, content in the header and down the bottom of the HTML for the FAQ, which will help it rank in Google generative search, and also give you the opportunity to have your links come up in that pull down section of the organic results. Very cool. So I'll give you a quick rundown of how simple this is to use. So, Instant Affiliate Monster, we've got another magic tool coming very soon, but click on select this, project name, agency client finder, URL, I've got it remembered, image, keywords, I'll get them. So we've added the project name, I'll make this one number 3, the URL of the affiliate link, the URL of the image that the affiliate supplies, your 4 keywords, and click next. Now you can add a YouTube URL. You don't have to, you can leave it empty. And now we have this HTML section, and whatever you put in here will come up at the very top of your page and at the very bottom of your page. But you can also leave that empty, so you can put any HTML in there that you like. For this demo, I put in an Aweber capture form, and very simple. I'll go into more details in the tutorial supplied on the Evo 4 website, but that's it. I'll put the HTML in there, I'll show you. So I'll just paste that in there. That's just the script from Aweber. And in this script I just updated the color of the background of this form so it matches the template. very, very cool. Click next, select add all, start job. Now you are 100% done. That's all you need to do an affiliate promotion in 2023 with Evo 4 and the power of assisted AI. So a massive shout out to our members who came up with the seed idea for this new module, and to Colin who turned those seed ideas into exactly what you see now. The fastest and most comprehensive way to promote affiliate offers in all the search engines in 2023. To celebrate this massive achievement, we're going to offer 7 days free tokens, meaning no cost to build the sites for a full 7 days. Don't forget to check out the discount coupon codes on the site. That's evo4.ai. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. To the cloud. By harnessing the power of the cloud, you simply enter your main term and Evo's revolutionary AI technology does the rest, producing SEO optimized keywords, titles, and original article content. He builds the sites and gets them to rank right before your eyes. This allows you to simply feed in your data, and his high domain ranked network will get to work and automatically maximize your results. And the best part of moving Evo to the cloud, he's accessible from any browser on your computer, laptop, or smart device, so now you too can get amazing SEO results from anywhere.